In this video, we're going to be looking at some retargeting examples with methods and strategies to take your remarketing to the next level. The first strategy that I want to talk about is the content remarketing bombardment. With this, we set up a simple custom audience based on website visitors, and then we create a content strategy to get our brand in front of them website visitors. This means that once someone's visited your website, they'll start seeing ads around the web, which will give huge exposure to your brand. We can take this further though. The second strategy I want to talk about is URL or event-based targeting. With this, we can segment an audience based on which URL they have visited on your website. If they visited a specific page or a specific category, then we can section off that audience and just show ads relevant to that topic. We can also segment audiences with JavaScript tracking events. So at any stage during the customer journey, we can fire a pixel and then just show ads to people that have reached that stage of the sales funnel. The next strategy I want to talk about is abandoned purchase retargeting. You might have heard stats that 60 to 80% of online shoppers abandon their purchase after adding a product to their cart. And this type of retargeting will drive consumers back to the store, where a percentage of them will go on to make a purchase from the site. We can do this in a number of ways. We can use URL targeting, what you spoke about previously, or we can create product catalogs. This allows us to show ads featuring specific products to people that have shown purchase interest in them products. The next strategy I want to talk about is the flash sale. This is a really powerful tactic because it compels visitors to make a purchase through fear of missing out. We can create a remarketing audience based on website visitors that have not completed the checkout process. This allows marketers to advertise time-limited coupon codes to potential customers that weren't willing to pay the full price for the product. The final strategy today is to use customer email lists. This is available as standard on Facebook ads, but with Google ads, you need to have a minimum of a $50,000 lifetime account spend. With this option, we can take a customer email list and then match that to an ad network's data on their users. We can then run ads to our existing customers. This normally creates exceptional return on ad spend and is particularly useful for products that have consumables and encourage repeat business. The two main ad networks that I'd recommend for remarketing are Google ads and Facebook ads. With these two networks alone, you can reach your custom audiences across the web. With Facebook, you also have access to advertising on Instagram and Messenger. And with Google, you have YouTube and of course the display network, where you can display ads across millions of third-party websites. I hope this has given you some ideas for remarketing campaigns. There's more information on my blog post, which is linked to in the description. And if you're interested in online business, performance marketing and web development, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.